Hi guys, I hope you are all doing amazing. For those of you who are new here, my name is Kate, welcome to my channel. If you like food, you're definitely in the right place. As a final Easter video, I prepared for you a bomb recipe that is a chocolate mousse tart. It's really delicious and everyone will love it, no matter if you're vegan or not. I promise you this one will not disappoint. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. We will start with grounding 360 grams, which is about 2 cups of hazelnuts. You can also use almonds or other nuts. If you don't have a blender that would ground the nuts, you can also buy a ready nut meal. Then we'll place the hazelnut flour in the bowl and add 180 milliliters of water, 80 grams of arrowroot powder that can also be replaced with tapioca flour or cornstarch, 180 milliliters of maple syrup. You can use 2 vegan egg replacements instead if you want. And then at the end we'll add in a pinch of salt. We will mix it all very well until combined. We will spray the tart form with a tiny bit of oil just to make sure nothing sticks to it and spread the hazelnut base on it. Make sure it is the same thickness in all places. We will bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit on conventional settings for about 30 minutes. When the base is ready, we will take it out of the oven and let it cool down. In the meantime, we will prepare the chocolate mousse. We will start by melting 400 grams of good quality dark vegan chocolate over the double boiler. In the bowl, we will place 400 grams of silken tofu and 2 to 4 teaspoons of maple syrup. We will blend the tofu and maple until smooth, and we will slowly start adding the melted chocolate, mixing it constantly. When all combined, we will separate about 3 to 5 tablespoons of the chocolate mousse. To the big bowl, we will add 2 teaspoons of agar-agar and mix very well. If you can still see the clumps of agar-agar, you can quickly combine it with a blender. To the small bowl, we will add 4 teaspoons of rice flour and mix it until smooth. Then we will transfer the content of a big bowl into a pot and heat it up, mixing from time to time. When you can see that it starts to bubble, we will add in chocolate mousse with the rice flour and mixing it all, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will put it on the baked base and flatten it out. The only thing that's left now is to decorate the tart. I'm using fresh raspberries, blueberries and some caramelized nuts. Then we'll place the tart to harden in the fridge for a few hours and enjoy. If you like this recipe, you also might enjoy the other video that I posted for Polish dessert mazurek. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. As always, the full breakdown to this recipe is already up on my website, as well as a free PDF that you can download for the future reference. And also, if you ever tried this one or any other of my future recipes, I would highly appreciate if you can share them on Instagram and tag me ReShape_official so I can see them as well. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.